Got the bitch axle nut off. You can see I had to take my trusty angle grinder with a cut-off wheel. That's the remains of the nut. Look at all those shavings down there. But it's off, so I can finally replace that shitty axle. And I also got the crank pulley bolt off. Big ass breaker bar. So I can change the water pump. Gonna change the timing belt, tensioner, crank seal, water pump of course. Probably gonna need to get a new oil pan soon. As you can see, being low has its fail moments. Yep. Looking forward to that and getting rid of these nasty axles. I'm probably gonna have to cut off the other one too. I wanted to take a quick update and try out this camera. Can't wait to get this thing back on the road. Have new axles on here, new timing belt, water pump, all that shit. Be running good.